Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with a tutorial. I'm going to show you what I created, and we're going to create one together. Alright, so I played with these Versa dies from Tonic. Y'all remember me hauling these. This one is the Embellished Heart Squeezed Box Die Set. Item number 4109E. This is a huge one. And then also the small one. This one is called the Flourishing Heart Squeeze Box Die Set. Item number 4110E. Alright, so I made one of the big one and a couple of the small ones. The big ones take 2 sheets of paper. So this is how the big one turned out. Absolutely love it. Y'all know, y'all saw my video hauling the dies I got. And this is a bag topper, but what I did was I just sealed it so it's extra strength in the back. But isn't this cute? I absolutely love these boxes, and it's great just in time for Valentine's. I'm trying to find my little bitty bells or something, hearts that I can add to the bottom of this. So I'll probably cut this just a little bit and add some hearts to the end. I haven't found them yet. And then here is the small one. Look how adorable, guys. So on the big one, you can tell I just used the solid paper, okay, on this. And then on this one, I used the detailed die set. So y'all know when y'all do the details, y'all got to cut it out, which when you're working with Tonic dies, they cut like butter, okay? But it's just how many panels you have to cut out. But look how beautiful. And I love that I did the Be Mine. Y'all saw that again on the haul. That's up on foam. But this is a cute, adorable box. So we're going to make a small one together. So when you first cut it out, you can use one 8.5 by 11. Y'all know I'm using Tonic paper. So this is how it looks once I've cut it out. You can get it very close to each other. So this is the die you would use, and you will cut this out twice, 2 times. Okay? So when you put it on there, of course it's going to be down this way to cut. See how close that is? You have to get this very close, but you can do it. It can happen. So once you cut those out, they're going to look like this. I did it on gray card so y'all could see the lines. Look how deep those score lines are. Amazing. All right, so I wanted y'all to see that. And I've already got it halfway done. So all we got to do is put it together, okay? So I did another detail on this one. So for the panels, the last one I used the other panel that looks like this detail, which is these 2 here, okay? And yes, you have to use both of them. Sometimes you can get the dies that you can just flip over. No, you have to use both of them. It won't work like that. So because of the detail. Going in this angle and have the flower there going in this angle. So you have to use both left and right sides. Then for the tops up here, I used on this one, looks like little leaves, if y'all can see that. And it's this one and this one. You get a left side and a right side. This one right here is just asymmetrical, so it's just, you can use it on both sides. So that's what I used this time. So of course you have to cut out all your pieces. You get the layering pieces, so you cut out your layer piece first or second. It doesn't matter which time you cut it. But then you also have to layer both of those dies together like that on your cutter to cut out the detail. So that is what I did on this one. So I left one panel undone. So first you will cut out the solid piece, which would be this one. And then I layered it up with this piece and this piece to cut out the detail. Look how beautiful that is on the foil. So all I'm going to do is add, if you wanted to use that sticky back, you could have did that. I see one little piece here. Let me get it out. Sometimes you think you got them all out, but it came out like butter. So I'm just adding a little glue. Y'all know I love to use my Nuvo glue. Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive Glue from Tonic. And then I just do little bitty dot, 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 dot. And I still see another one. Thought I just poked that out. Maybe it went back in there. Alright. So once you do that, you just layer it on top. I don't worry about the glue. It comes out because it dries clear, guys. You just lay it on top of each other. Like that. Here come the rain. It wasn't raining when I walked in here, but it done got dark quick. And it's raining. Alright, so that's how that part goes. Whoa. I don't think we have no tornado here. They ain't said nothing about no tornado. Alright, so let's put that down. And again, remember we use the layering piece and then the detail die to cut it out. So let's go ahead and add it to here. I like to add my panels on first before I put the box together, because it seems like it's harder to fold and all of that. Whoa, guys, it is raining. Alright, just give that a second. Y'all know this adheres very quickly, but I'm just pressing it down to make sure. Alright, so the next thing we do, I already have the adhesive on the side flap here and as well as the tab here. Now this one I've already folded. This one I have not. I said I was going to show y'all how to fold it. So the first thing I do is fold the bottoms down and this tab. Okay. Then for these, I'm going to, on this score line, we're going to bend it back. Same for the other side. You're bending it away from yourself. So you have it like that. And then for this tab, you fold it in. Ooh, that is coming down. I don't know if y'all probably can hear that. It just all of a sudden start pouring down. Alright, and then for the top, you fold that in on top like that, because you want that to bow. So you see that? So the next thing you do is I'm going to take off one side of the adhesive. I like to put extra glue. Y'all know I like to do that. Just a little dab of glue on the side. And I'm going to line these up. Alright, I'm lining it up with the top. I want those tops to match up. Like so. And then I'm going to press down to make sure I got it even on there. I just take my bone folder and press it down a little bit. I open it up. And then I'm going to press it down inside. And then you know this is the only one I can do it like this, because once you close it, I have to stick my longer bone folder inside. Okay? So now it's connected. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. Remove the glue, the tape, the backing from the tape. I use score tape. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to press it down on the edge. Alright. And then I'm going to fold it like this. Give it a little burnish. Now I'm just looking on the inside to see which way that tab went, so that I can stick my longer bone folder inside so that I can press that tab down on the inside. Just to make sure it's got a good hold. Alright, so they are connected. So now we're going to turn it upside down and push. We want this to be a square at the bottom. That's why I went ahead and put that adhesive on there. The little piece fell in there. And of course I'm going to put some more glue on the tab. It doesn't matter, it really doesn't matter which side you're going to put down first, unless you have a particular one that you want to face forward. But they both look the same. So I'm going to do, let's do this side. I just looked at the thing, the bottom, to see which one, and we're just going to line it up. There's not a good contact because this, see how closed that is? You can open it because it is like a suction. I mean, because they're together. I'll take this bone folder. I'm just going to press lightly just to make sure I got contact with that. Then I'm going to put glue on the other tab, the other bottom. And then we're going to fold this and make sure it goes all the way to the edge to seal. Perfect bottom. Now I'm going to just put it down. I'm going to pop it open. Watch this. Look how cute this is. To pop open, I'm going to stick my bone folder inside and just burnish on the inside. Make sure I got good contact. I'm sorry. People want to text me every time I'm doing this. Alright. So look at this box. Isn't that adorable, guys? Look how quick it came together. Of course, I had already had all the layering pieces done, but it's still pretty quick to do that. So once you do that, I like to add my ribbon. Let me put this glue up. I'm just going to use some of the Tonic's ribbon. You don't have to use ribbon. You can use a little closure if you want to. If you want to put a something that you made with a paper clip. Embellishment with a paper clip. But I'm loving the bows. They go so well on these projects. Alright. Did that too big. I like it that small. There we go. That's a cute little bow. And I'm going to clip that off. Cute little bow on there. If I can get the tails to go where they're supposed to go. There we go. Look how cute that is. And then for my little word on there, Valentine, I'm going to attach it right on there with a little glue. Now this one does not have the dimension like the other one did, but all of them don't have to have the dimension. I'm just adding glue. I'm going to pop it on here. And this baby is done. And it's so cute. Make sure I got it on here straight. There we go. So pretty. Look at that. Absolutely love it. Well, wasn't that quick, guys? A super quick tutorial. Absolutely love these boxes. I'm so glad I'm starting to use it, but you know, it was perfect for Valentine's. So I was like, perfect. I wanted to use these. And here's the big one with Cupid on there. These are adorable. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. It's a nice look at the bottom. So you can see, and let me, oh, well, I've already closed it, but I showed you on the inside how it pops open. Aren't these adorable? I hope y'all love this tutorial. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.